Good morning, third graders. This is Mrs. Jones again, and today we are going to look at building on what we've been doing with place value. This time we're going to look at forms of numbers. So this is different ways to write numbers after we've finished organizing them. All right, so our first form of number is the easiest one, and you've probably seen this or talked about this in second grade, and that is standard form. Standard form is also called numeral form, and that means just writing the number. So you just write it how you normally would, standard form. So in this number we're writing is, remember we say everything about before the comma. So 18, the comma says 1,000, so 18,275. That is it written in standard form. The next form is word form. It's also called written form. And this time you use words. You do not use the written numeral or number. So this is how I would write that for this number. I would just say it. It works best if you say it out loud and then write it. So I said this number by saying 18. So I wrote 18,000, wrote 1,000. Then we put our comma. 275. Notice that I used only words there, no written digits. Okay, the third form that we're going to look at today is expanded form. And this is where we deal with the value of the numbers, and you write what each digit is worth. So here, this one is really a 10,000. So I write that this one is 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 200 plus 70 plus 5. That's what each one of these digits is worth. And think of that as expanding. You just drew this out. Instead of this being put in its normal form, its standard form, we just expanded it out to see what each place is worth. It's going to be very important to think about what how many zeros you're putting there. And so I had to be really careful as I was writing this and making sure that it said 10,000 and that this was just 8,000. I had to really watch for that.